Hello and welcome to this Sagaciti Insight software how-to video guide on how to view your results. For more information visit www.sagaciti.co.uk. So now we'll look at scoring and results. You can go to the RAG matrix from either the RAG matrix in the side menu or clicking on the title. And we can see the score level slider, which gives us the opportunity to look at principal, approach, key element and sub-element scores. And by scrolling down to the bottom of the screen, we can see the principal score, which in this case is amber, and the overall score. The principal amber has a statement there which assesses where you are, and also an offer of help and how to contact us. The overall score is amber, but we also have the pie chart here, which if you remember was set at the top of the screen at sub-element level. Again, there's an overall comment around scoring amber and an offer to discuss what you found. Please feel free to contact us if you'd like to do that. By setting it key element level, you can see that this pie chart has actually changed. So the RAG pie has changed, and it's changed down here as well. Because there's only one principal, the overall principal and the overall score for the whole thing will be the same in the self-assessment module. By selecting the approach, we get a different score, and you can see by opening up the showing more detail that the approach is scored amber, and that's reflected here in the overall. By selecting principal level, we get the same RAG chart score here, but you'll notice the approach, the RAG charts aren't visible, and if we show more detail, they're not available in the key element either. This is actually quite a good way of navigating the system, because if you have everything open to sub-element level by selecting the button there, you can actually scroll down to whichever level, because there won't be charts below the level you've selected. You can see there are no sub-element charts shown here, but it doesn't affect the radio buttons. And by selecting sub-element, if we go through, you'll see that the scores for the RAG charts are all shown. And the scores build from the lowest up. So if you start with sub-element, that will build the key elements and in turn the approaches and the principal. And if you want to get back to where you were when you landed, simply click Reset to Initial View. I hope this has been of use. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.